Sorkar jala lembaga tanah taxation kala Pynkhreh shat nya Bynta ban Pyndam no ikaan Khalai balatip kum Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act arjar arpway. Haba pintip yakani kila pathai kuboru menteri tanah taxation James K Sangma ulong Bynta kila Pynkhreh ban wanra de draft ordinance na Bynta ban penyat yakate kam shakmat.
Yes, after I have discussed this matter with my senior colleagues and also with the Honorable CM, uh, I have initiated the process also, and today the department is in the process of preparing the draft ordinance for the repeal of the Meghalaya Gaming Act. So this is the process. Whenever assembly session is not there, then to enact any law, or for that matter in this case to repeal an existing law, it has to take the route of an ordinance. So that's the process that we have initiated, and the process is ongoing as we speak. This is something that a repeal is much more complicated than coming up with a fresh act or ordinance for that matter. So we are doing due diligence, because once we repeal, we do not want any kind of legal wrangles or legal hassles. So we are making sure that we do everything in a very organized and systematic manner.